We're making a rich and creamy high-protein smoothie inspired by Dubai pistachio chocolate bars. It's a delicious blend of protein, fiber, and healthy fats with cottage cheese, banana, tahini, pistachios, chocolate protein powder, cocoa powder, and frozen cauliflower. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla. If you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including nutrition facts, ingredients and substitutions, and frequently asked questions. Now to make this really easy smoothie, you'll need a high-speed blender, or I'm just going to use my blender cup that comes with my blender base. And then I'm going to start by adding half a cup of milk, and you can use any variety that you like. I'm going to use almond milk. Now, if you haven't used cottage cheese in a smoothie before, don't be put off by that curdled texture. It's going to blend totally smooth and you won't even know it's there. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese, and you could use large curd, small curd, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. I like to use the full fat for the most creaminess. And to add a little more natural sweetness, we're going to add half a banana. And I like to slice my bananas up and keep them in my freezer, because then adding a frozen banana means we don't have to add additional ice to make our smoothie nice and thick. And then a really subtle way to add more nutrition and fiber is to use frozen cauliflower. When it's frozen, it really helps to subdue the flavor and you won't even know it's there. Then we'll add 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. And this is my favorite because it's all organic and naturally sweetened, and we really like the flavor. And I did include a link in the video description below if you'd like to check it out. And for that pistachio chocolate bar flavor, we're going to add some peeled pistachios. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pistachio nuts. And to get more of that classic flavor, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some tahini, but you could also use cashew butter or almond butter if that's all you have. And for some more natural sweetness, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but you could certainly omit this if you like. And then to enhance that chocolate flavor, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of some cocoa powder. And then we'll just screw on the lid, snap it into the base, and then I'll just let this blend until it's all smooth and creamy, which will be about 1 minute. So after 1 minute of blending, we have this smooth and very creamy and delicious smelling smoothie. All we have to do is drop in our straw and enjoy. That tastes so good. You instantly get that rich chocolatey flavor and then a little bit of earthiness that's coming in from the pistachios. And then it's just rich and creamy with a little bit of the banana and then a little bit of that maple syrup. And I love the kind of nutty flavor that you're getting from the tahini. That is seriously so delicious, and I'd have no idea that that had cottage cheese or cauliflower in it. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me today to make this really fun smoothie. And I have included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that would take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.